Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Praveen Kumar and I am from Government High School Pendukti. Today we are going to show white light consists of 7 colors. First, take a circular cardboard disc about 10 centimeters diameter. Divide the disc into 7 segments.
Paint 7 rainbow colors on the disc. We can also paste color papers on the disc.
Make a small hole at the center of the disc.
Fix the disc loosely on the tip of your pencil. Ensure the disc rotates freely. Rotate disc in the daylight.
When the disc is rotated fast, the colors get mixed together and disc appears to be whitish. Conclusion: when light from this above activity, we can conclude that white light consists of 7 colors. They are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. With joy. Thank you.